Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to start applock in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to start applock, you want to use Tecno mobile applock setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Tecno mobile applock setting one by one, step by step we will talk about. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, first of all open your device phone master application app. So when after phone master application app, you can clean your phone from here. So when scroll down here, security and privacy setting you want to use, so you can use tap here app lock setting. Friends, you want to start app lock, you want to use app lock setting, so you can use draw pattern for app lock and you can start app lock. So friends, example this pattern I will draw for app lock. Okay, and remember your pattern. If you forget your password, you will have to reset your phone. And remember security question answer guys. If you forget your password, don't worry, if you know your mobile security question answer, so you can unlock app lock with security question. So once I will enter my name, tap here done option, app lock will start in your Tecno mobile and you can use your app lock. Friends, you want to lock gallery app, you want to lock your calendar app, so you can lock app. Example friends, gallery app, calendar app and Facebook app, file app I will lock, YouTube app and Instagram app I will lock in my Tecno mobile. So friends, you can see when I will on Instagram app in my Tecno mobile, my Instagram app is locked, file app is locked, Facebook app is locked, and friends, you can share me app is unlocked because I lock only Facebook, Instagram and file app. And friends, you can see gallery app is locked. Draw your pattern, gallery app will unlock and you can use your gallery. And friends, you want to show your pattern, so you can show your pattern also. Tap here app lock, draw pattern. Friends, tap here make pattern visible setting. Now friends, if you draw pattern, so friends your pattern log will show. So friends, you can check my pattern also. So like that friends, you can start app lock, you can use app lock setting in your Tecno mobile. And friends, you want to unlock any app, draw your pattern and your Facebook app will unlock and you can use your Facebook app in your mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I friends understood how to start app lock, how to set up app lock in Tecno mobile. Bye.